Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, each exterior angle of a regular polygon 40 degree. Find the sum of the interior angles. We know that sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree, as each exterior angle is 40 degree from given each exterior angle is 40 degree. This is given. Number of angles or sides of polygon is given by sides of polygon is given by 360, that is sum of the exterior angles of polygon divided by each exterior angle, which is 40 degrees, that is 360 by 40 means 9. Further, as each exterior angle is 40 degree, so as each exterior angle is 40 degree, so each interior angle is given by 180 degree minus 40 degree, that is 140 degree. Now there are 9 interior angles. There are 9 interior angles, each of 140 degree. The sum of the interior angles of the polygon is given by number of angles into interior angles, means number of interior angles into measure of interior angles, that is 9 into 140 degree. 9 into 140 degree is 1260 degree. Hence, the sum of the interior angles is 1260 degree. That is, our correct option is option C.